Good morning, everybody. And while out doing flex, I decided to make a video just kind of talking to you guys, not just why the Pixel 10 is a pretty solid phone, but as a content creator, why does the Pixel 10 work to help me create content for my YouTube channel? So I'm going to explain that in this video today. If you guys enjoyed what I'm going to say in this video, hit the like button too. That really helps out the channel. But yeah, so let's get into it. All right, so capturing video with the Pixel 10 is pretty decent and good enough to basically get the video images and stuff that I want to get for my video blogs. Granted, it's probably not the best when it comes to video recording if you're going to compare it to like the likes of the iPhone 17 series, but it's not like how it used to be before, where like it was just miles behind competition when it came to recording videos. It actually stepped its game up in recording video, and those videos translate into pretty decent footage for a blog. So that's something that I definitely appreciate about the Pixel 10. So yeah, it's mainly primarily what I shoot a lot of my videos with when I'm blogging. The other cool thing about the Pixel 10 being something that I use to record and make content with is you got a ton of these features here. Now, when it's recording video, it kind of uses the same thing as it does with photography. So, you know, in that second that it's recording image, it actually captures like a bunch of images and stitches them all together to get a better resolution. But then you also have like, you know, cool things like speech enhancement, which, you know, pretty much is like an audio filter that drowns out background noise and puts your vocals at the forefront. So then that way you're not having a bunch of noise from the outside world just, you know, clashing and being overbearing in your videos. And that's something that I could absolutely appreciate when recording content. So that's one major thing that I like about the Pixel 10 and making content. Yeah, so Pixel 10, cameras, microphone, audio, it's pretty solid. It's good. It's good for the most part. At least, you know, for content creators, you're definitely going to be able to do some work, especially those who do all their work from their device. The Tensor G5 processor, when I am basically editing video, it does a pretty good job at doing that. So using apps like Edit for Instagram works pretty good. And again, YouTube Create, which is a phenomenal good app to just basically get to video editing on the fly. So that way you can get your videos uploaded and ready for your viewers to check out. So the Tensor G5 along with these, yeah, it's awesome. Now for a creator standpoint, you definitely can use the Pixel 10 to create content. And while it may not be like, you know, shooting from a studio quality camera, it still works out in, you know, just making vlog videos and, you know, whatever you're into and whatnot, tech videos. So you guys are getting an insight to the iPhone 12 video I'm working on with the Pixel 10. And, you know, so far, creating content on the Pixel 10 is, yeah, it's a joy to do this. I honestly feel like that this is a great option for me in making content. So overall, the Pixel 10 definitely can be used to help content creators in creating content for their channel, social media, you know, platforms, all that. You can do it with the Pixel 10 with the tools that you have with editing software, but also recording with the cameras and the microphones on this device is just solid.